Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and gear.
Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras with the GoPro HERO12, hailed as the best waterproof camera on the market.
Let's see what sets this powerhouse apart from the competition.
The GoPro HERO12 isn't just your average action camera. It's a versatile tool designed to capture every moment of your adventures with unparalleled clarity and precision. With its waterproof design and advanced features, it's the perfect companion for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts alike.
One of the standout features of the HERO12 is its ability to capture high-quality HDR video and photos, allowing you to relive your experiences with stunning detail and vivid colors. Whether you're recording in 5.3K resolution or snapping 27 megapixels raw photos, the HERO12 delivers exceptional image quality every time.
But the HERO12 isn't just about the camera itself.
With the included 50-in-1 accessory kit, you'll have everything you need to take your adventures to the next level.
From mounts and straps to tripods and cases, this kit has you covered for any situation, whether you're on land or underwater.
And let's not forget about the essential accessories: a 128GB micro SD card for ample storage space, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for long-lasting power. With these additions, you can focus on capturing the moment without worrying about running out of storage or battery life. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO12 stands out as the best waterproof action camera on the market.
Thanks to its exceptional image quality, advanced features, and comprehensive accessory bundle.
Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a casual adventurer, the HERO12 is your ticket to capturing memories that will last a lifetime. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy filming!